Hey friends, I'm Mary Ellen and welcome to Life is Messy but I am learning as I grow. Today we're heading from the garden to the kitchen to make one of my favorite summertime bites, crispy golden fried green tomatoes in the air fryer. These beauties are fresh off the vine and we're keeping it simple, plant-based and delicious. If you're new here, this channel is all about creative DIYs, tasty plant-based recipes, backyard gardening and real-life family fun, with the occasional cat cameo. Around here we're not aiming for perfection, we're all about the process, learning as we go and enjoying the messy moments along the way. So be sure to like, subscribe and let's get cooking. You will need the following ingredients: green tomatoes, plant-based mayonnaise, seasoned bread crumbs, a sprinkle of garlic powder, nutritional yeast, onion powder and salt. Choose firm, unripe tomatoes that are fully green and slightly tart for the perfect flavor and texture. Slice them about 1/4 inch thick. Remove excess moisture. Place the tomato slices on a paper towel and gently press another paper towel on top to absorb excess liquid. This helps them get crispier in the air fryer. Lightly spread a thin layer of plant-based mayo on both sides of each tomato slice. This helps the breadcrumbs stick and adds extra flavor. Press each mayo-coated tomato slice into seasoned breadcrumbs. To season mine, I used garlic powder, nutritional yeast, onion powder and a pinch of salt. Simple but so flavorful. Arrange the coated tomato slices in a single layer in your air fryer basket. Avoid overlapping so they cook evenly. Air fry at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 5 minutes. Then carefully flip each tomato slice. Air fry for another 5 minutes until crispy and golden on both sides. Serve and enjoy once done. Let them cool slightly and serve warm with your favorite dip or sauce. Thanks for hanging out with me today as we turned garden fresh green tomatoes into crispy air-fried goodness. If you give this recipe a try, I'd love to hear how it turned out. Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite way to enjoy green tomatoes. Don't forget to like, subscribe and keep coming back for more plant-based recipes, DIY fun, garden chaos and real-life creativity. Around here the kitchen's a little messy, the garden's a bit wild and perfection is never the goal. It's all about learning, growing and enjoying the process. See you next time.